I'm teaching intermediate trigonometric chapter. Okay. So if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3, find the value of sin theta and determine the coordinate in which theta lies. Okay. So here given secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. So we know that one trigonometric identities, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So here we can apply the a square minus b square, that is a plus b of a minus b. So that is here secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Here the secant theta plus tan theta have multiple. This multiple is going to be divided by divided. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. So here the given that secant theta plus tan theta is how much? 2 by 3. That is 1 by 2 by 3. So the denominator having fraction is become reciprocal. That is 1 into 3 by 2. So 1 into 3 by 2. 1 is multiplied with anything will be the same. That is 3 by 2. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. Let us take it in the equation 1. The given one is equation 1. Okay. So here they are asking that find the values of sin theta. Okay, how you can find the value of sin theta means here the two equations is adding and subtract. You can get the values now. So that is here secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. Here the two equations is adding. So plus tan theta minus tan theta cancel. Secant theta plus secant theta 2 secant theta is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So 2 secant theta is equal here 4 plus 9 by 6. Okay, so here 2 secant theta is equal 13 by 6. Okay, secant theta is equal 13 by 6 by 2. So 2 is a whole number, you can write as 2 by 1. So the denominator having fraction is become reciprocal. So that is here 13 by 1. So secant theta is equal 13 by 12. When you add in these two equations, we can get the secant theta. Now the two equations are subtract. The second equation subtract from first equation. So that is subtract. That is secant theta plus tan theta is equal. When you subtract, the signs are changes. Okay. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. Yeah. This equation is subtract from first equation. The signs are changes. Here plus is there. What the sign here? Minus. Minus plus. Okay. Here plus minus. So plus secant theta minus secant theta cancel. Plus tan theta 2 tan theta is equal 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. Okay, now these two are the fractions. We can do that cross multiple. 2 2 ja 4 minus 3 3 ja 9 3 2 ja 6. That is minus 5 by 6. 2 tan theta is equal minus 5 by 6. Tan theta is equal minus 5 by 6 by 2. 2 is a whole number. Okay, here the fractions is become reciprocal. That is 1 by 2 minus 5 by 6 2 ja 12. 6 2 ja 12. Okay, ma. So next one. Here we can get the secant theta. How much? 13 by 12. Tan theta minus 5 by 12. Secant get positive, tan get negative. Okay, so here tan theta by secant theta is equal minus 5 by 12 by 13 by 12. So tan theta how you can write? Sin theta by cos theta. Secant theta how you can write? 1 by cos theta. So the denominator fraction is become reciprocal. That is 12 by 13. 12 cancel. Here the denominator fraction is become reciprocal. Sin theta by cos theta into cos theta by 1 is equal minus 5 by 13. Cos cancel. sin theta is equal minus 5 by 30. So the value of sin theta is how much ma? Minus 5 by 30. Okay, here tan theta is the negative, secant theta is the positive ma. So that means the theta is lies in all silver teacups ma. First quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant lo sin cosecant positive. Third quadrant lo tan cot positive. Fourth quadrant lo cosecant secant positive. Okay na? So here tan is negative, secant is positive ma. So that means here in which quadrant it is ma? Fourth quadrant. Okay, so theta is in fourth quadrant. Okay, what asking that? Find the value of sin theta and determine the coordinate in which theta is lies in. Theta is lies in fourth quadrant. Prove that cot 5 by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 and so on. And so on means here cot 4 pi by 16, cot 5 pi by 16, cot 6 pi by 16 into cot 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1 more. So this one how to get right? Okay, so take LHS cot 5 by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16, cot 4 pi by 16, cot 5 by 16, cot 6 pi by 16, cot 7 pi by 16. Okay, so this one we can write as cot 5 by 16 minus, okay, cot 7 pi by 16. First one, last one. Next, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 6 pi by 16. Next, cot 3 pi by 16, cot 5 pi by 16. Okay, so next, cot 4 pi by 16. 4 pi by 16. Okay, so this one cot 7 pi by 16. We can write as cot of 5 by 2 minus 5 by 16. 7 pi by 16 we can write as 5 by 2 minus 5 by 16. 16 into pi, 2 into pi. That means 16 pi minus 2 pi. That is 14 pi by 32. 2 7 ja, 2 16 ja. Next this one cot 2 pi by 16. This one also we can write as cot 5 by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. Next cot 3 pi by 16. We can write as cot of 5 by 2 minus 3 pi by 16 into cot 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja. That is cot 5 by 4. So cot 5 by 4 is how much? Cot 45. Cot 45 is how much? 1. Okay, so next here. Pi by 2 is how much? 90. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Okay, so here cot 5 by 16 into tan pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into tan 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 into tan 3 pi by 16 into cot 5 by 4. So cot theta and tan theta both are reciprocal. The product is become 1. Okay, so here that is 1 into cot pi by 4. How much? 1. That is 1. That is equal RHS. So LHS is equal RHS. So therefore cot pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 and so on, cot 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1. If 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5, then find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, so this one how to can find? Here sin theta cos theta, but the quotient is 3 4. Here the sin theta cos theta, but the quotient is 4 3 1. Okay, so if the same quotient we can do that. Okay, so or we can do that. Okay, they ask. Oh, sorry. They ask that 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, no. So solution. Given 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5. Okay, let us take 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to x. Okay, so they are asking that this value. We don't know that value, let us take that is x. Okay, by using this equation we can find this one more. Okay, how we can find? By using squares. Okay, so by squaring and adding first and second equations. So that is here 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square plus 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square, that is equal to 5 square plus x square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So that is here a plus b whole square, that is 3 sin theta whole square plus 2 into 3 sin theta into 4 cos theta plus 4 cos theta whole square. Next here a minus b whole square, that is 4 sin theta whole square minus 2 into 4 sin theta into 3 cos theta plus 3 cos theta whole square. So 5 square is how much more? 25 plus x square. Here 3 sin theta whole square means ab whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. That is we can get as 3 square sin square theta plus 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 sin theta cos theta. Next this one 4 cos theta whole square, that means 16 cos square theta. Next 16 sin square theta minus 2 4 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 sin theta cos theta plus 3 cos theta whole square means 3 square cos square theta, that is 9 cos square theta is equal to 25 plus x square. Okay, ma. Plus 24 sin theta cos theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta cancel. Here 3 square, how much ma? 9. 9 sin square theta, 9 cos square theta. How much? Okay, by using the trigonometry. Next one 16 cos square theta, 16 sin square theta. Okay, so 9 sin square theta plus 16 cos square theta plus 16 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta is equal to 25 plus x square. Okay, here 9 sin square theta, here 9 cos square theta. In this two we can take the 9 is taken outside. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. In this two what the common? 16. 16 of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 25 plus x square. Okay, by using the trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is how much ma? 1. So 9 into 1 plus 16 into 1 is equal to 25 plus x square. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 plus x square. So 25 is equal to 25 plus x square. Plus 25 comes to rather than minus. So 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So what the x we take here? 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to 0. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay, so here derive cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Okay, plus cos theta is going to translate out and minus. So sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. So cos theta into 1 cos theta. So sin theta is equal to root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Here in the right side there is root 2 minus 1 now. Okay, we can remove that. How we can to remove? Multiply root 2 minus 1 on both sides. Okay, that is here root 2 minus 1 into sin theta is equal to root 2 minus 1 root 2 plus 1 more Okay, root 2 plus 1 root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Okay, it is the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. That is here root 2 plus 1 into sin theta is equal here root 2 whole square minus 1 square cos theta. Here a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Square square root cancel. Here root 2 plus 1 into sin theta is equal 2 minus 1 cos theta. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1 cos theta. Okay, so here the sin theta is multiplied with these two. That is root 2 sin theta plus sin theta. Plus sin theta is going to subtract and minus. So that is here root sin theta is equal cos theta minus sin theta. So therefore hence 2. So what asking the proof? Cos theta minus sin theta is equal root 2 sin theta.